Good morning everyone. So maupay nga aga. So hinog na yung pineapple. So we have to harvest it now. Cute ng crown, no? So titira natin yung palalakihin muna natin itong tawag dito. Kalimutan ko na. Slips ba to? Kasi ito yung mabilis tumubo at saka magbunga compared doon dito sa crown. Palalakihin pa natin to before natin itanim, but we have to harvest this one today kasi it's magiging overripe na to. I wasn't expecting it na ganito na siya kahinog. Laki. This is Hawaiian variety. Bango. Smells so good. Hinog na siya. Ayan. Malaki. Laki niya. Napakatamis ng ng variety na to. And also we have to harvest this one. I think pwede na to. Sa bahay na lang pahihinugin. Ayan. Okay na to. And also I think the other one. This one here. Or this one. Ano kaya? Parang hilaw pa to eh. Ayan, hilaw pa yan. I don't know this one. I think yan na muna. 2 or 4.